In this video, we'll demonstrate how landlords can use VitalTax in two common scenarios: when a property is owned by a sole owner, and when it's owned jointly by multiple owners. If you're new to VitalTax, you first need to install the software into your Excel and create your account. If you need help with any of those steps, pause here and watch the relevant guide. With your VitalTax account set up and authority granted, you are now ready to proceed. Open the VitalTax add-in and sign into your account. Our first scenario covers the setup and submission of an MTD quarterly update by a sole property owner. With authority already in place, the income sources can be viewed under Menu, Income Sources. Select Property Income Source. Next, you'll be guided through a brief configuration process. Select either Standard or Calendar reporting period. Confirm the ownership type, sole ownership in this scenario. And finally, select the relevant expense reporting method: full expenses or consolidated expenses, based on whether your rental income is above or below the VAT threshold. Click Finish. Once the income source has been configured, you are now ready to submit your figures. Select Quarterly Updates to continue. Select the relevant period and click Submit. The form will now be displayed in VitalTax, and you can start linking your figures from your spreadsheet. To speed up the process, you can use the template feature in VitalTax. In this example, a template has already been set up, allowing you to automatically link all the fields from the spreadsheet. If you'd like to create your own template, you can watch our separate video on template setup. Once you've linked all the fields and checked that everything is correct, click Submit. Your quarter update is now submitted. The cumulative summary provides an overview of the figures submitted to HMRC. As quarterly updates are submitted on a cumulative basis, this summary displays the total income and expenses you've reported to HMRC for the tax year to date. After submitting a quarterly update, you can download a PDF copy for your records. You can amend the figures if needed by clicking the Amend button and linking your figures again. Let's now move on to our second scenario, where we look at the setup and quarterly update submission process for joint property owners. Joint owners can manage their MTD submissions from a single VitalTax account. In the most common setup, one of the owners creates a VitalTax account using their email address and sets their own income tax account first. The other owner's income tax account can then be added by clicking the Add Income Tax Account button. Include their name and national insurance number. Each of you will still need to be connected to HMRC separately using your own government gateway credentials. Rather than entering figures separately for each owner, you can record the income and expenses for the property as a whole. And then apply the ownership split to calculate each owner's share. When configuring a jointly owned property income source, select Joint Ownership. You'll then be able to choose from 3 reporting options: full expenses, consolidated expenses, or income only. The income only option, which is available only for joint owners, simplifies quarterly reporting. So expenses can be submitted at the end of the tax year, rather than with each quarterly update. Click Quarterly Updates, select the relevant period, and click Submit. Link income figures from your spreadsheet to VitalTax, review them, and click Submit. You can access the figures you've submitted from the cumulative summary. You can also view your current tax calculations in VitalTax. They are calculated entirely by HMRC and are based on the information you've submitted, together with any data already held by HMRC. As before, you can export the tax calculations and save a copy for your records. You can now follow the same steps to link and submit the figures for the second owner. And that's it. Now you're ready to tackle your landlord reporting with confidence. For more tips and guidance, visit our website and explore our other videos. Thanks for watching, and happy filing.